Alright, so from our last video, we have created the body for the cat object mode, right? And now we are going to focus on actually toggle mode extra. That's okay, that works. We're going to focus on the making the little nose and the eyes. So, before we continue, let's smooth this out. Right, also add shade smooth, so yeah, looks nicer like that. And we also need to go to edit mode and make these legs and arms more distinct. Yep, there we are. As you can see, then tab edit mode. Yeah, okay, so the arms, they look like, hey, this is where we came from. So nice. Okay. All right, let's focus on the face. We're gonna go to that mode. We're gonna go to toggle X-ray, shift, mesh, again, round cube, press 1, and we're gonna make this really, really small like that. We're just gonna do, one. We're just gonna do the auto mirror to save some time. So X, right? Then edit mode, and let's make the nose. Oh, make sure you toggle proportional editing first. G. That's not bad. All right. That will be your nose. Then we need to actually push it this way. So this will be what the user sees. Toggle X-ray. See? All right. There's your nose. Tab. That's fine. Go to object mode. Shade smooth. Add a surface modifier to this. Subdivision modifier. Yeah. All right. It's good. Now let's do the eyebrows. Object mode 1, shift, mesh, and we're gonna do the same thing. Round cube, up, right here, 1, auto mirror X, and then edit mode, toggle X-ray. Edit mode. CS. R. Tab object mode R, like that. Make it smaller. Alright, then make it a little bigger. Tab edit mode S. Okay, it's not bad. Then go to 1, tab object mode. Let's see, apply that, and we're going to change our frame of reference, or sorry, geometry reference. So with object mode selected and that object selected as well, go to object, set origin to origin to 3D cursor. So this will be our, like, the plane of reference. So then when we add a mirror modifier, it'll rotate on that axis. Sometimes that won't work. Oh, and sometimes you have to worry about the, what do you call, the rotation. And if this doesn't work, what you can do is get rid of that, Shift D, move it along, and there we are. But that's another issue. So because we moved the set origin, we have to move it back, origin to geometry, and then we can move this here, and then R. So now we have our eyebrows, and they're not really stuck there. So toggle X-ray off, R this way, and get closer, R that way. Wait, X, no, Y. All right, so now our eyebrows aren't too bad, and there we are. Okay, you can delete this eyebrow, then Shift D. Oh, sorry, Shift D. Shift D. Was pressing the wrong one. Okay. Go this way. Press 1, R. And 3. Make sure they're kind of lined up in the same place. All right. And now we have kind of our eyebrows too. Cool. All right. Now we have eyebrows, nose, and I think that's all we really need for that. Oh, the eyes. Right. So Shift A, round cube, up 1, S, G over here, go up, toggle, right? That's not too bad. Okay. Right. Add the subdivision surface 1, shade smooth. Oh, same thing for these two. Subdivision surface and shade smooth. Yep. And yes, you can apply. I guess not. Okay. I thought you could apply multiple multipliers to multiple objects. All right, and then we have that eye, toggle X-ray. It looks good. Shift, no. Go to Object, set origin to 3D cursor. Make sure that your item itself, the transform, the rotation is the same. Everything's 0, clear it out, and then add modifier to mirror. So that the eye comes out in the right place. Sweet. Okay. And as you can see with one toggle, like the eyes have these kind of curvatures and stuff like that. What we can do is go to tab, sculpt mode, and change things up. So make sure you select the object first before you go to the sculpt mode, then tab object modes like the head, then sculpt mode, so the eyes, eyebrows. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, then go to 1, and there we have it. The eyes, eyebrows, and nose are done. In the next video, I'll show you how to add some clothes. Like in texture and painting, we will do the mouth as a it's like a paint, as a like a drawing instead of like an actual mouth. In later other videos, I will show how to do the mouth in 3D model, in the 3D modeling aspect. But for now, we're gonna keep it really simple. So yeah, till the next time, and I hope this helps.